Hello and welcome to Chaska Beauty's YouTube channel. Are you allergic to PPD and all the harmful chemicals that are currently available in all hair dyes? Well, Chaska Beauty has the answer for you. We are launching 15 shades of organic henna-based hair coloring system, and today we're featuring our Herbal Soft Black shade. We will show you step-by-step preparation, which can be applied to all shades. You can also scan the QC code in front of our label to get more details and how to prepare the henna and how to prepare your hair for the henna application. To start, make sure you have a plastic or glass container with a tight lid. We also recommend that you use a wooden spoon or spatula to mix your henna. Do not use any metal utensils when preparing or storing your henna. Fresh distilled water, coffee, or tea can be used as a liquid to mix your henna. Chaska Beauty is proud to be the first one in the market to provide you with organic, fresh henna and a biodegradable packaging. We aim to become the #1 sustainable beauty company in the world. To start, simply pour your finely grinded henna powder into the bowl. Gradually add your liquid. Please make sure that you do not use tap water. Continue mixing your henna until you get a smooth, creamy paste. We do not want to make our henna a runny, creamy paste because it will be applied to our hair and we don't want anything running down. In addition, you can also add a couple of drops of essential oils such as lavender, lemongrass, or any oil that are beneficial for your scalp and hair. A teaspoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar can also be used to aid with the release of the color, as well as assist in dyeing those resistant gray hairs. As you can see, our henna is slowly coming along. Please note that henna and our 15 shades are all organic. They do not contain any chemical actives, so we suggest constant application to achieve results. As you can see, our henna paste is becoming a nice, creamy, smooth paste. We'll add a little more water and set our henna aside for 2 to 3 hours for the dye to release. Compared to our competitors, our hennas are ready to use within 3 hours. Our henna looks about ready. We will set this aside for 2 to 3 hours until we'll see the color slowly being released. Set aside in a nice warm place and get ready to start dyeing your hair. Check us out at chaskabeauty.com for more information and details. We have 15 amazing shades available for you. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos.